just heated up a piece of chicken. This part is very hot. This part, kind of hot. Kind of hot too, but it has these vents. So if you see like steam coming out, it's because, yeah, that's a little bit fried. But otherwise, it's pretty amazing. Yeah, pretty amazing. I am loving it. So I just heated up this piece of chicken, which is not very big, but this piece is a lot bigger. It has that right there, light bulb, that little stick thing is what heats up, which is what's happening now. So that's the heating component right there. And then, yeah. I think it said that it's supposed to hit about 400. And that piece is like the size of my hand.
Radio, your local community-supported radio station, unless, of course, you downloaded it from the webpage, www.
This is the timer. Doesn't even allow the unit to come on. This is the second one that I have ordered. The first one that came was obviously sent back to the manufacturer, period. This one was actually packaged like it was new, but does not work. I actually love the size and wanted to use it in my minivan conversion, but obviously the product is of very poor quality.
Nope. Would not recommend. It gets too hot.